Oh my God, why does a hole appear here? What problems do you think this Sorrento car has? Losing control or falling asleep? Oh my God! If we slow down, will we be able to handle this situation in time? If we slow down, will we be able to handle this situation in time? What am I seeing? The wind blew the truck away. What the hell? Oh my God, that's a bear. Oh my God. He should have his license revoked for driving too fast. No! No! This is the price you have to pay for reckless overtaking. People who drive too fast and disregard the lives of others will often pay the price. Once again, the wind blew the whole truck away. Awful. That truck could just lose its brakes because the goods on the car are very little. Police are needed to make things safer. Every day I feel more and more afraid of the wind. Oh no! Oh my God! This intersection needs a red light.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Maybe he needs a bigger truck. Oh, motorcyclists are only 1 meter away from death. I think after today, this place will have a 4-way intersection instead of this roundabout. Do you think the yellow truck driver is still alive? Oh my God. The red truck was in too much of a hurry.
Oh no.
Do you think the car driver needs to rest?
Oh my god. No! No!
Again, a sleepy driver. Pitiful.
Oh my god.
Oh no!
What the hell? Why can the wheel come off like that? Is there any path there?
Oh my god. Why was the truck carrying the car parked there?
Is he destroying the car? Carry planes. Oh my god. Do you think he is sleepy? Oh my god. Why can he move without wheels? He needs to retake a traffic safety course. Oh my god. How could the wheel fall off like that? This scene is like something out of a movie. That car needs its brakes urgently replaced. Oh my god, he is crazy.